welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. I've got 4 tarot cards, the Hanson Roberts cards, and another piece of information I'll bring in later. So first of all, we have the World. I don't often pick that in the weeklies, but it's very welcome. And then the 9 of Cups. Oh, now this is very unusual for me. Now, some readers choose to read cards upright and in reversal. For me personally as a reader, I would say 99.9% of the time I choose to read them upright. Unless I get a very, very, very strong feeling that it needs to be in reverse. Because what I find personally as a reader is any of the reversal messages, they bring them through anyway for me. So I kind of bypass the cards mostly, to be quite honest. But this one had to be reversed. And this one is the Hanged Man, and it's in reverse. So we'll get to that. And then we've got, we had this a while back. I'll bring it forward, but it does change the camera. The Ace of Cups. I really feel that we're in this energy at the moment, this rebirth, this regeneration emotionally, energetically, with the light. Do you remember I talked about that? This for me feels about light. Anyway, they're starting already. Oh dear. The World. Oh gosh. Big changes. The World is the completion of one cycle and the beginning of the new, but it is such a big cycle, and we've been talking about this anyway as an underlying theme, haven't we, for the past few years since we've known each other, where we are as a planet undergoing a magnificent transformation. We are ascending. Our planet is changing its energy, its vibration. We are changing our energies and vibrations. It's all changing, it's all moving as we move from the 3rd dimension into the 4th and then to the 5th. So this is saying this week you're going to get a sense, and we've had it anyway, but for some it's just a continuation of something big closing for you. Really big transformation, really significant. I want to say it feels deep for many of you. Relationships might be ending, people might be, transcendent, leaving the planet and dying, if you like. I mean, I say sort of crossing over, but some people use the word die. We don't die, we just go on to the next level. But, and that's been happening for us in me and my partner's life as well. So big, people moving and changing and leaving this life and this earth. Big stuff happening, really, really big. But you know what? It feels like it's meant to be. It's meant to be this way. You have to close off one aspect before you can move and step into the new energy, the new dimension, and this is what this is all about. The 9 of Cups is telling us that one of our wishes is being fulfilled. This is the wish fulfillment card. I love this energy. And look at the little face on this person. So happy, joyful, elated, just so very happy. And I just feel something good is going to happen this week for many of you. You might be getting some news, you might be getting some offers, some invitations, information that changes your life. Now, I know with any big transformation, it can take time. Saying goodbye to people isn't an easy process, but it feels like, even letting go of some things that you were struggling with, it feels like it's the right thing, because ultimately they're trying to bring new things, new people into your life and world that will match your energy and your frequency and your vibration. this is one of your wishes coming true. Maybe even more than one. You know, I've said one, I'm being cautious here, but it could be more than one. And we're going on to the Hanged Man in reverse, which is yeah, I don't often do it. Now, the Hanged Man in the what they call the upright position, can be about patience. You know, you feel like, come on. And we know that, don't we? That's what many of us have felt like, come on, I just want to get through this difficult bit into the good bit. But also with the Hanged Man, it's about seeing things from a different angle, seeing things from a different perspective. So when we reverse it, it's not always the opposite, but it's kind of the opposite of that. So it feels like, and I know we've got some planetary stuff here going on. I'm just looking at my notes. You know that I do my prep before and then I write my notes. So I'm just, yeah. What they told me in my preparation is that you are really getting to see things differently now, and it's not just like with Hangman that way. It can be like a glimpse. You get an insight. Oh, like, oh my gosh! But this is happening all the time. You're starting to see things differently, and it's lasting a lot longer for you. So this isn't so much as a glimpse as this is how it's going to be from now on. So the glimpses will expand and extend. And also for some of you, I was just checking whether I can say this here. Yeah, okay. Now with that the right way round, it would be patience, waiting for things, hanging around for things. Now things are accelerating. Now things are happening and speeding up, even though we're in this place where like the Mercury retrograde thing. And what they're asking me to tell you is that you can move your energy beyond the negative, the perceived negative effects of the planetary aspects. So for some of you, it won't resonate for all of you, but if that has resonated for some of you, just experiment with that. Ask to be taken to the place beyond where you are negatively impacted or affected by the planetary aspects. That's not for everyone, that message. So please, if it doesn't make sense, doesn't resonate, ignore it, let it go. But they are telling me that is just for some people, okay? And they wanted me to share that with you. So, and then the ace, new beginnings, new starts. We know this, but I love this. This is about your heart center, a new start, a new beginning. It could be a new relationship. It could be a new way of living. It could be a new place where you work, where you just feel so much happier. This is about your happiness, your contentment, your joy, just feeling in a better, happier place. So you might get some news this week, you might get information, you might get insight, you might get a download, you might be inspired to do something, write, paint, create, write music, it could be something like that, and you get new information, and this is what it's all about. It's taking you to a different place, a new place. And this we said this the other week, didn't we? This is like your cup filling up, my cup overfloweth with love and happiness and joy. Well, this is not just emotions and feelings. This is also the light, the vibration, the frequency of the higher dimensions being poured into you as well. So I love this. And we've talked about this already. But I just think this is carrying on, guys, for these weeks. It feels like a bit like hold on to your hats, but definitely the opportunities in this week to go to a new level, go to a new place, go to a new point of understanding, of knowingness, of your senses, with this as well, go into a completely different place. And what also they wanted me to share with you is this: on time. All of what you're going to be experiencing this week is bang on time. I know some of us, include me in this, for weeks and months go to, come on, we just need to get to this point, God. I'm not always like this, but it happens, doesn't it? You get frustrated, you get like, oh my gosh, I can't do this anymore. Something this week happens for some of you, and I feel that some of it is internal, some of it is a realization, some of it is a shift, some of it is a download, an understanding, a knowingness, picking different things up with your senses, okay? Psychic abilities opening up, intuition, intuitive abilities opening up and expanding. And I just feel that you are getting a different level, a different layer, and it's absolutely the right time. And when it happens, you'll realize that, because then something for some of you is quite big and profound this week is going to happen, and then you understand why it didn't come before. You totally get, you think, I couldn't have handled it. I wouldn't have been in the place to hold that energy before, but now I am. So now it's ready. Now it's coming. That's what they're telling me. For some of you, it's coming. All right, it's coming. I hope it's a really good week. Thank you so much for watching.